Hi everyone, my name is Voya and welcome to my deep guide. Today is going to be a very short video and it's of course regarding the ReMarkable 2 delay notification that we've all received a couple of days ago. The reason why I'm even making this video is because in the past I've seen a pattern that some users basically either don't get the emails, the ReMarkable notification emails, or the emails simply get swamped in spam or something like that, and then some users miss some of these big news. So the news is that the ReMarkable 2 shipping has been delayed. So effectively the June batch has been moved to August, July to September, and everything else should by then catch up in October. Just because June has been moved to August, it doesn't mean that all of the batches have been delayed by those 2-3 months. Basically what they say in their email that they sent out and in the notification on the website is that they're hoping that the mass production will catch up after those initial 2 months. So what does that mean? Batch 1 ships in late August, batch 2 ships in late September, and everything else is basically crammed into October. If this is going to pan out to actually be the case, I don't know, we'll see. Of course, the reason is the COVID-19 pandemic, which is an obvious kind of thing. But one thing I really don't get is that initially when the pre-orders started for the ReMarkable 2, that was like just right when the pandemic started here in Europe. And one of the first questions was exactly that. How will it affect the shipping dates? And ReMarkable team was adamant that nope, it won't affect it at all. How can it not? It's just, you're not making it in your own shed by your own people. It's an international effort. It's going to be shipped from China and manufactured from who knows where, and it's not going to be made like 5 of them so that you know that Tom, Dick and Harry are going to be right on schedule and they're not infected. It's all good. So that's not the case. The case is you have thousands of units shipping from China all over the world, and yeah, I don't blame them for the delay. That I think is completely reasonable and normal, but I think that they shouldn't have said adamantly, nope, no delay will happen and we're absolutely positive that COVID-19 will not have effect on the shipping dates. I think it should have been played out a little bit more wisely and a little bit more cautiously so that people don't get too angry with this news, which, as far as I'm concerned, is perfectly logical and expected. It would have been like nearly miraculous if they had been able to deliver this on time, taking the overall state of the world into consideration. Maybe something for them to kind of think about in future kind of releases. Then again, maybe they just wanted to pump up the pre-orders because they obviously managed to do that. So who knows? I don't know. That's like marketing bumbo jumbo stuff. I'm not a fan of that. So I'm not gonna go into those waters. But anywho, that's that. ReMarkable 2 is delayed. Now we finally have an explanation why there are no review units, why there are no early reviews of the device. Obviously the manufacturing process has been delayed, so we'll see how that happens. Don't be surprised if there's another delay, because it very well may happen. But I certainly hope that it won't happen. Fingers crossed, and we'll see what happens. Until then, we got our ReMarkable 1 and other devices as well that can keep us company and help us take down our notes. We gotta sit tight and be patient for a little while more. I hope this video clarifies any questions that you had regarding this announcement, or if you didn't even hear it, then there you go, now you know. On another note, yes, there has been a slight delay with the videos. The reason is because I'm redoing the entire room. The most of the stuff has been done. Now I have enough room to actually spin around and spin around. But in all seriousness, everything is pretty much done. It was a huge job, so I am now getting back on track, and the first order of business is going to be the in-depth review of the Onyx Boox Max 3. That video is going to be recorded this week, and I think it's going to be coming out next week, and hopefully there's going to be some more interesting videos coming out soon. 2-week delay, lots of work, lots of other things that I had to kind of deal with, but now I'm going to be getting back on track to bring you some cool videos in the future. Thanks for watching, have an awesome week, and see you in the next video. Bye!